You are here because you have a problem that keeps popping up. And as you can see, you are not alone. Let's just be open to that problem being an opportunity to move you towards a life that lights you up. We're going on a journey together to not only identify the root of your problem, but also take the first steps towards solving it and experiencing the amazing life that awaits you on the other side. Type yes in the chat if you are ready to solve your problem. Yes, yes, yes. All right, here we go. Step one is we need to identify the problem and the desired outcome. Let's start by getting clear. What's that one problem that keeps coming up for you? Please close your eyes and imagine that problem is solved. Oh yes, it is solved. What a relief. How does your life look now that the problem is solved? How does your life feel different? Take a breath and relax into that feeling. What are you doing? What are you not doing? See yourself living your life without this issue. Slowly open your eyes. Allow your body to move. Grab a pen and a paper, or if you're choosing to type on a computer, open that document. Now let's connect again. The problem's solved. How do you feel? What are you doing? Please write down what you're experiencing now that the problem is solved, and how do you feel? We need to connect with these feelings and that energy for what's to come later. How do you feel now that the problem is solved? What are you doing now that the problem's solved? Who are you with? Take a moment and celebrate life now that the problem's solved. Thank you so much for having on your computers. I'd love to see you're smiling as you are writing. Really focus on how you feel. Please share in the chat. How do you feel? Freedom, joy, hope, self-love, lots of freedom, peace, pride, hope. Yes, allow all of this to sink into every part of your being. Freedom, love, hope, peace. Feel it and smile. We're going to move on to step two. We're going to identify what do we want to avoid. Solving this problem also means leaving some things behind. What actions, habit, or situations do you want to avoid on your path to solving your problem? Write these down. You didn't do that. You didn't experience this. That old habit, it fell away. What are some positive benefits of letting these situations release from your life? What are the blessings of releasing this stuff? It looks like most people have finished writing. Yes, thanks for the thumbs up. So step three is we're going to connect with your highest self. Take a deep breath. Relax, shake out any tension. We're going to reconnect with the feelings that you felt when the problem was solved. Breathe into that freedom. This process allows you to connect to your inner wisdom, which knows the perfect first steps forward towards solving your problem. It's not going to be a giant leap, but what's a small, actionable step that moves you in the right direction? What was the first step you took in solving your problem? Write down whatever comes to mind, even if it feels like just a little something coming up in the background. Don't think too much, don't analyze. What's the first thing that comes to mind? And write it down. The challenge a lot of people have is they feel inspiration of a good idea and then they start overthinking it and then they lose the inspiration. Just allow inspired thought to flow to you and write down whatever comes up. Step 4 is overcoming resistance. If you truly feel stuck or you just can't hear your inner wisdom, it's okay. Sometimes we just need a vibrational shift. So please shut your eyes. In fact, let's have everybody do this because it's going to give you more insight into your next blessed steps. Shut your eyes. Take a breath. Feel your body relaxing. See someone who loves you dearly or somebody that you admire. They magically understand you and everything that has to do with this problem. Feel how much they care for you. Feel that they understand you. What do they suggest as your next blessed steps towards solving your problem? Don't think or judge, just write down what comes to you. Annie, thank you for reminding us of the quote by Albert Einstein that we can't solve a problem from the same mind that created it. Yes, let's tap into the person who loves you or you admire. They're not coming from the limited problem mindset. They're coming from a solution-oriented perspective that sees the blessing of you and can see the solution. Write down the inspiration that comes to you and the next small step towards your solution. Step 5, we're going to commit to action. This is the crucial part. You must take action. Is your next step a heck yes that propels you towards your goal? If so, write out, when are you going to take this step? What happens next? What needs to happen for this next step to unfold? If you're not feeling a heck yes about this next step, what needs to change for you to get excited about this next blessed step that's going to move you towards solving your problem? Understand your highest self, the part of you that we connected to when the problem was solved and felt the freedom by this problem being solved and is living a life with that problem solved. This part of you knows the next blessed step. Give yourself permission to be inspired and to know the way. Next, you must make a commitment to taking this step within the next 24 hours. No more, I'm going to do it next week. This is your chance to show yourself you're serious about change. Just do it. Do it scared, do it unsure, get up early, stay up late to do it. Just do it. Write down the exact time you're taking this step in the next 24 hours. Your dream isn't going to drop in your lap. You must show yourself that you're going to take action to receive what you want. Put it in the calendar of your phone or set a timer for tomorrow at that specific time. Let's get out our phones. I am a timer setter. All my clients are setting timers. This is how you get things accomplished. Schedule this in your calendar or set a timer right now, please. I see phones. That makes me happy. All right, John's on his phone. Kate's on his phone. Alexandra's on her phone. All right, I'm seeing lots of phones. This makes me so proud of y'all. In the chat, please put the time that you are taking action today or tomorrow. Yes, yes, I see times. We have some early risers and some people that stay up late too. Awesome, awesome. You've set yourself up for success. Now imagine yourself completing that first step. Feel the momentum, the confidence it brings. You're on your way to solving your problem. Please shut your eyes again and take a moment to visualize your ultimate goal achieved. Feel the blessings you identified earlier now that this problem is solved. Remember, this is just the beginning. You've got the power to transform your life one step at a time. Keep moving forward, celebrate your wins, and don't hesitate to seek support along the way. Be so proud of yourself for taking time out of your day for this mini coaching session to solve your problem. Tomorrow, after you've taken your first action, go through the same visualization process and ask, what's my next step? Once again, put a timer on your phone for that next blessed step to happen within 24 hours. Keep moving forward, celebrate your wins, and if you have a question, just ask it in the comments. I'm notified and I will check it and I can coach you in the comments. I encourage you to share your wins in the comments as well as cheer on other commenters as they reach their goals. The freedom, joy, peace, love that you felt in the visualization at the beginning of this session, that all awaits you. Take action, listen for your next blessed steps, and repeat. If you didn't set your timer, please do it now. Don't overthink it, just do it. You are blessed, and you're a blessing. I'll see you next time. Remember, love surrounds you.